Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make lamb stock from bones. Roast bones until deeply browned, then put them in a large pot with cold water, onions, carrots, celery, and herbs, and bring to a gentle simmer. Keep heat low so it barely bubbles and simmer for 6 to 8 hours while skimming foam. Strain carefully, chill overnight, and remove fat before using or storing for later recipes. Roast bones and vegetables first for concentrated, caramelized flavor. Arrange bones in a single layer, roast at 425 degrees F until richly browned, and brown veggies on the roasting pan afterward. Transfer everything to a stock pot, cover with cold water, and add a tablespoon of vinegar to help extract minerals. Bring slowly to a simmer, not a boil, and watch for skimming needs during the first hour to keep the stock clear and clean tasting. If you're finding this helpful, please hit subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy kitchen techniques. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep the ride smelling sharp while you haul bones home. It's a small, funny comfort that pairs well with cooking errands. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Maintain a gentle simmer and avoid boiling so the stock stays clear and sweet. Cook for 6 to 8 hours to maximize gelatin release from marrow and cartilage, stirring only occasionally and skimming foam as needed. When done, strain through a fine mesh or cheesecloth, cool rapidly in an ice bath, and portion into containers. Label with date, refrigerate up to 4 days, or freeze in usable amounts for soups, risottos, and sauces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.